Oh, that's lovely, Val.
Okay.
You like that?
Yes, that's
So glad
lovely.
you came over. What are you doing up so late? Are you allowed?
I'm allowed sometimes if I guess I don't care what I'm doing tomorrow.
What'd you think of Anne Mariah's
Come
sign
here.
you made
What do you think of
yesterday?
that, Mariah? Happy birthday to you.
Are you
Happy
kidding?
birthday to you.
Are you kidding me?
Happy birthday, dear Mom Edith. Happy birthday to
Sweetheart.
you.
Please say you're gonna name her Winda.
Oh.
This is the
Oh,
one
this
that you
is-
looked at
this is-
first and you said if I had the money, I'd take her right now, take him right now. It's really a her.
Hi, sweetheart. I'm so glad. Oh.
Oh.
Hi, baby. Oh. Hi, baby.
Let's see that little facey.
Hi, baby.
Right now their names are Sunny and Cher, but we decided while his fits, we don't think hers.
So there really is two of them.
Mom,
Yeah.
say thank you, Wendy.
Thank you, Wendy. With all my heart, thank you.